What's up everyone? Welcome to S-TEC. I'm sitting at my desk right now and I have my MV88 Plus set up with my iPhone XS. I'm going to do a little test here. We're going to find out how long the battery life is actually going to be on an iPhone XS with an MV88 Plus. So I'm just going to leave this sitting here while I'm doing my stuff at my desk. We've got the timer running here. We're already at 30 seconds basically, and we'll find out. If you couldn't tell, my phone died around the 2 hour and 5 minute mark. That's what I was able to get using my iPhone XS plus the Shure MV88 Plus video kit. Now your numbers might differentiate a little bit because it has to do with your phone and your battery life, all that kind of stuff, how old the phone is, all that. But that's what I was able to get. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something.